So, in today's video, we are going to solve another question about limits. In the previous videos, we have talked about limits a lot, and we have solved some questions about limit. In today's video, we are going to solve another question about limit, and in this video, you are going to learn how to convert an indeterminate form to a determinate form, and it is very easy. It's not difficult. So, I have got a question over here which says that limit x tends to 0. I told you x tends to 0 means that x is close to 0. X is not equal to 0. It's not exactly 0. It is close to 0. So limit x tends to 0, 10x divided by x. So I have got this question which says that if x approaches 0, where does this function approach? And I have to find this. So let's apply limit and see what happens. Okay, so applying applying limit applying limit. So let's apply limit and see what happens. So when I apply limit, so it becomes 10 0 by 0. 10 0 is 0, so 0 by 0, which is an indeterminate form. So we can just apply limit directly to this function because this is an indeterminate form. First, we have to convert this function to a determinate form. And how to do this? So let's see and do this. So let's do this. And this is very easy, okay? This is very easy. How can we do this? We all know that 10 is equal to sine by cos. So replace the 10 by sine x divided by cos x. So we can replace this in the given function. So it will become like this. Limit x tends to 0, 10 is sine x divided by x, and we can write the cos x separately because there is something I want to tell you, and this is important in this question. So it will become limit x tends to 0, sine x divided by x. We can apply limit separately because this is the rule. When two functions are in multiplication, so we can apply limit separately, like this function and this function. These are the two functions, and you can apply limit separately. This is the rule. Okay, you have to remember this rule forever in your throughout your life. Okay, so limit x tends to 0, 1 over cos x. Okay, if we apply limit over here, you would say that sine 0 is 0 and 0 by 0. This is again an indeterminate form. Let me tell you, this is an important limit. It has been proved that sine x by x, when x approaches 0, sine x by x is equal to 1. You would say this is not even possible. So I told you that we can convert an indeterminate form to a determinate form, and this function has been converted to a determinate form, and then final answer was the final answer was 1. Okay, so if you want me to prove this, I will definitely prove it in the future videos. Okay, until then you have to wait. Okay, but for now you have to remember this limit x tends to 0, sin x by x is equal to 1. So 1, and apply limit over here. So as you can see that it would be 1 and cos 0 is 1. So the final answer is 1. It means that when x approaches 0, the given function, which is sin x by x, approaches 1. Okay, so this is the final